everyone. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you already know the Vanilla Vista blanket is here. And if you do not, what are you waiting for? This blanket is a much requested blanket. So here you see I have the wedding blanket. This is absolutely not a beginner pattern. I've had quite a few people message me all over on Instagram, on Ravelry, on Etsy. They are intimidated by the wedding blanket, but they love the look of it. And it certainly is for an intermediate person, or rather intermediate crocheter, but this Vanilla Vista blanket gives you the same kind of a textured look with the raised rows in between, using only beginner friendly stitches. So it is here, it is available now, and I have a video tutorial to go with the pattern. As long as you know how to work a chain, a single crochet, a slip stitch, and a half double crochet, you can make this blanket. You can make it in a baby size all the way up to a king size, and I show you how to customize your size in the pattern. The link below is to the post on my blog, and also if you want to get the PDF pattern, those links are there as well. Happy crocheting, everybody!